Aphorism number 81. The fact that this extremely ancient infecting agent has gradually passed in some hundreds of generations through many millions of human organisms and has thus attained an incredible development renders it in some measure conceivable how it can now display such innumerable morbid forms in the great family of mankind, particularly when we consider what a number of circumstances contribute to the production of these great varieties of chronic diseases, secondary symptoms of SORA, besides the incredible diversity of men in respect of their congenital corporeal constitutions, so that it is no wonder if such a variety of injurious agencies acting from within and from without, and sometimes continually, on such a variety of organisms permitted with the soric miasm, should produce an innumerable variety of defects, injuries, derangements, and sufferings which have hitherto been treated of in the old pathological works under a number of special names as diseases of an independent character. Explanation of aphorism number 81. In this aphorism, Dr. Henneman has given idea about innumerable so-called organic diseases. This extremely ancient infecting agent, SORA, has gradually passed through thousands of generations and millions of human beings. So it has attained an incredible development. So it is displayed in such innumerable morbid forms in humankind. If we consider or count the circumstances which contribute to the production of these great varieties of chronic diseases, besides the congenital corporeal constitutions, we can found a great variety of injurious factors acting from within and from outside, and sometimes continually on the organism infected by soric miasm. So it produces an innumerable variety of defects, injury, derangement, and sufferings which have been treated till now by allopathy under the number of special names as independent disease. Footnote number 78. Some of these causes that exercise a modifying influence on the transformation of SORA into chronic diseases manifestly depend sometimes on the climate and the peculiar physical character of the place of abode, sometimes on the very great variety in the physical and mental training of youth, both of which may have been neglected, delayed, or carried to excess, or on their abuse in the business or conditions of life, in the matter of diet and regimen, passions, manners, habits, and customs of various kinds. Explanation of footnote 78. Some of these causes that affects and modify the transformation of SORA into chronic disease, that obviously depend sometimes on the climate and the peculiar physical character of the place of residence, sometimes to the great varieties in the physical and mental training of youth upbringing, which may have been neglected, delayed, or carried to excess in any aspect, for example food, or repeatedly bad effects, mental or physical, in business or conditions of life, in the matter of diet and regimen, passion, manners, habits, and customs of various kinds.